Hey TinkerBlock creators, today we're building something absolutely epic. A Tetris visual effects studio that combines the classic Tetris theme music with stunning LED animations. This isn't just a light show, it's a full gaming experience. We're using the TinkerBlock TK33 WS2812 LED strip for our visual effects and the TK37 passive buzzer for authentic Tetris music. The magic happens when we synchronize these two components to create falling block effects, line clear animations, and piece rotation patterns. Watch as the LEDs create falling Tetris blocks that move down the strip, then see the line clear effect as LEDs fill up and flash white when complete. The rotation effect spins like a Tetris piece, and combo effects use multiple colors for maximum visual impact. The code uses advanced animation techniques with position tracking, state management, and section-based effects. Different parts of the Tetris theme trigger different visual patterns. Intro notes create falling blocks, main theme triggers line clears, and bridge sections activate rotation effects. This project teaches you advanced programming concepts while creating something truly spectacular. Try it yourself and let me know what other gaming themes you'd like to see animated. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your own TinkerBlock creations in the comments below.